720 model currently in production in the final phase of its fit out process. It's just come out of the spray painting booth with its 3 coats of paint. Like every boat, we can choose from 2 different colour tones. In this one we've chosen the black on the grey. All of our boats have the 6mm hull base with the 4mm sides. You can see the quality of the welding process and the double chine hull design on all of our boats. On our new model we have changed the design, so no longer are our boats shipped in 2 pieces. Traditionally the boats are shipped on their side inside a container. This restricts a few things and creates a lot more workload unloading the boats out of the container, risk of damaging the boats if the people doing the unload don't know what they're doing. And then we also have to hire cranes, have a rooftop crane to the boat, and the boat then bolted down. And what we found with the first one, this process was okay, but if you don't keep up with the joins and the silicone, there is always a chance that salt water can get in between the joins of the cabin and the hull. So what we've decided to do, we pay extra for shipping. We no longer ship them in the containers. We ship the boat in a whole piece, so everything can be done at the factory level. So this means a much better finish, a much stronger finish, and a much more resilient finish for the future for any rust or anything like that. As you see on this side, we've chosen to auto fit at the factory the electric anchor mount. On this particular model, we've broken the rail. We found on the first model, if you chose the auto deploy Minn Kota, the rail had to be cut. So in preparation for that, we've made that adjustment. Now come to the back and we'll show you some other features. Now here at the back of the vessel, we've had this excellent addition to what we can install on all of our boats. The extra handrail, which also doubles as a drop-down boarding ladder, will provide a large space here for an extra 2 people to fish quite comfortably without losing any space. These handrails will come complete with 2 fitted rod holders, and of course we will have the sea deck installed. So we're still a bit of a mess at the moment, but all this is still being in the process of being done. Under my feet here is the position of the fuel tank. So on this vessel we have a 240 litre long range fuel tank. We've also made a couple of changes which are a little bit messy up here at the moment, but you'll be able to see. We moved the driver's seat 20 centimetres forward and a little bit higher, so when you're sitting up on the helm you've got better vision. This has allowed us to finish the storage capacity, the storage space here, which in the past boats encroached into the fishing area. Likewise on the passenger side we've done the same. We've moved the passenger seat forward and we've included what will be a Dometic fridge slide out here. Again, by moving it forward and just saving that 20 or 30 centimetres, it's allowed us to finish all the storage compartments in line with the cabin here, whereas in the past it's encroached onto the area. This has given us more space to have one person full fishing here instead of in the middle. It's allowed us to do the kill tanks, and obviously then we have the walk-through transom, which allows us this whole big area here. So for a 7.2 metre boat, you can easily fish in very good comfort, 6 people, not a problem. So with this model, we've obviously decided to add the side step to gain easier access to the roof. This stopped the kids climbing up through the windscreen and potentially damaging the windscreen wipers. It also made it a lot safer. What I also found is once the kids were up here playing, once it got wet, it got very slippery. So what we decided to do was pay a bit extra and have our sea deck that unites all of the inside of the cabin, all up the top here. Now, by doing so, we've moved the mast light from the middle to the front to give us a nice big platform area. Now this area, the roof is rated to a maximum of 300 kilograms, which is plenty for 3 or 4 adults to sit up here, enjoy a wine, throw a beanbag up here, have a wine at sunset. A good casting deck if you're fishing in the rivers, if you want a view for fish, look for the birds. But just another overall usable space, accessible by the step which is on either side.